What's happening, everybody? This is your boy Snow. Welcome back to the lab. We're here with more of that Smell Good talk. Let's get it. All right, I just wanted to let everybody know that I got another Smell Good haul. Okay, I am going to be doing first sniff impressions. Well, really not first sniffs because I've smelled them, but I want to bring some smell goods to y'all to let you know what they hitting on. So make sure you come back and watch their first sniff or the initial impressions of how I feel about these fragrances, because I really do feel like I got some bangers. I finally picked up a Lake and Sky Santal Gray. The viral Vulcan Black Friday. Y'all know I love Thomas Cosmala. This is number 4. Apres Amour. How do you say that? This one was a new one to me. Tao Hotel. This one is Anfar London. I don't know how to say it, but here's the box. And then I have another one from that same house, Foucault. I hope I'm saying it right, but I just wanted to try these, man. I wanted to get a feel for what these smell like. These are all just, this one I already knew about just because I love this house and I've put my nose on this and I finally got it. But the rest of these, man, I just want to get a feel for what they're hitting on, just to let y'all know if these are worth copping or if you should pass them up. All right, I am back with a first sniff impressions, but not a first sniff, but this was part of my big haul that I posted a video about. This is Tao Hotel, and I was at the perfume shop in the mall while I was in Georgia, and the salesman who I'm going to tag in this video, make sure y'all go show the young man some love. Good vibes, good people. He also creates content. Again, y'all know how when I go into the perfume shops, I like going in with an open mind. I want to be put on something different. I don't care about if it's designer brand, niche, dupes. I just want people to put me on juice that they think smell good so I can share with y'all. And this is what he put me on right here. I did not know about this house until he put me on it, but I am thoroughly happy that he did. Now, mind you, this is a very lemon forward, like creamy lemon smell, but fresh all at the same time. This isn't a kick the door down, I'm walking in, you see me, you smell me. It's not that. It's almost like a very good shower gel, but not over the top. Fresh, lemony, sweet lemony, like a creamy lemony. A very subtle, musky lavender vibe. This is just a very pleasant, fresh smell. Again, it's not a room filler. It's not a room filler. It's not something that's going to like have that bubble of fragrance around you. But if someone gets in your space, they gonna smell this bad boy, and it's very comforting. Again, this ain't a knock you off your feet kind of smell. This isn't beast mode. It's not that. If that's what you're looking for, this just ain't the right thing for you. Because smelling it in the store, I liked it, but I enjoyed it more once I got it out the store. I'm not mad at this. I wouldn't say this is blind buy safe, because I don't know if there's enough to it though for people to be like, oh my God, it's so great. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's enough there for that to happen. But I would say it's worth getting your nose on. I will say that though. So again, make sure y'all go follow my mans. Go check him out. Go let him put you on some smell goods. And y'all know I'm out here. I'm going to support people who like. I'm going to support people who support. I'm going to support people who out there grinding and trying to do the same thing in this content space. And I just want to make sure I let y'all know. Go check him out. And this time we have Vulcan Black Friday limited edition. I love this box. Like, this box is great. It's like snake skin with the print. This thing look good. I ain't gonna lie, the box looks good. Y'all know I have another Vulcan in there that I do enjoy. And this one, there was so much hype around this one. So I'm hoping that this bad boy smells good. Oh, first of all, let me show y'all the presentation so y'all can see what I'm seeing. Y'all see that? Yeah. You see that? Yeah. All right, so let's get this bad boy on paper. I have smelled it. And okay, I'm gonna say this. Okay, this is supposed to be it doesn't matter what it's mimicking, but it's supposed to be mimicking another fragrance. I have not had the pleasure of getting my nose on that fragrance. I will say this just off top. I I would not call this a safe blind buy at all. Ain't even close. Is the reason why I say that is because in the opening, there's something to it that gives it like a really sour smell. I'm not exactly sure what that is. It just comes off sour, but not that, I enjoy like pungent, like a nice pungent smell. It's not that. It's more like a like a sour that initially throws me off. But I can understand how this can be a fragrance that someone really enjoys. Leather, rose, mossy, sweet, like oaky kind of vibe with I don't know, that lavender. There's a lot to this. It's a very complex fragrance based on what I'm smelling. I love leather, but it's just really sour on the opening, and I don't know if whatever this is supposed to be inspired by has that same kind of sour smell to it, because it's not a pleasant sour smell. So I would not call this blind buy safe, but I also can see why individual would like this, because it's not that I don't like it. I just don't know how that like sour aspect, almost like something spoiled in it. I don't know how that would do on my skin. So like I put it in the air, I put it on texture strips, I let it dry down, and it does get better. It does. But man, I this you have to want this kind of profile to truly enjoy this one as like a blind buy. I'm gonna go in it and just love it. I feel like you're either gonna love it or hate it, man. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it just off the initial smell. Now, once it dries down, okay, it gets very subtle. It's not anything that's like knocking me off my feet, but I get it. It's not a bad. I love the presentation. I love what it's trying to do. But if that opening could be fixed or changed or something, this would be solid. But that opening kind of kills it for me. So I don't know, man. Talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have this in your collection. Let me know if you think this is a blind buy safe fragrance. And yeah. All right, you see what I got right here, man. I got another perfume. This time I have number 4, Apres Al Amor from Thomas Cosmala. Y'all know I love the house. Y'all know I love everything about this house. And this is what it looks like. Y'all already know it's nothing crazy. But this right here, I love this. I love this. This is, in my opinion, a safe blind buy. And I'm gonna go ahead and say this now. I do not think it smells similar to other. I'm not saying there's not similarities, but I wouldn't say this reminds me of 540. That's all I'm gonna say. 540, and it just doesn't do it for me. This is not a 540. I'm not saying there might not have some notes that, okay, boom, boom, you can match some notes, but no, man, this one right here just does its own thing. It's sweet, spicy, sharp, edge. It has a nice edge to it. And I don't know if this is me or not, but it seems as if a lot of Thomas Cosmala fragrances have a real nice mossy, oaky aspect in there somewhere. Because yes, you get sweetness. Yes, you get a little bit of like sugary vibe mixed with, in my nose, a very mossy slap in the face. Like this for me is money. Like this is money. Like I like it. So you may have heard people say that this is like a 540 or instant crush type vibes. I wouldn't put them in the same category, if I'm being honest. I'm not saying that there can't be some parallels. I feel like it's just, it's hard not to have those. But just in a general sense, this thing, in my opinion, is in its own lane, and I really enjoy it. So let me know what you think of Thomas Cosmala #4, and if you have this in your collection, and if this is something that you think I'm cap or what. Let me know. Talk to me. Let me know. And this time, man, I have Anfar 1950 Falco. Full transparency. I bought this bad boy truly off the way it looked and the notes. I just couldn't help myself. Man, this is like supposed to be a lemony, pineapple, lavender, mint, green, cedar kind of vibe. And I'm going to tell you right now, I don't know why no one talks about this, but I enjoy this. Off first sniff, other than the presentation getting me, they got me with the presentation. I couldn't help it. And then I was like, let me just look at the note. Can't go wrong. It was a budget banger. But bro, this smells so good, bro. Like, I ain't even trying to be funny. I'm putting it on skin. It smells so good. It's just a very spicy, mature smell. It has a very incense kind of vibe to it as well, but with the fruit, with the minty, sweet, burnt pineapple, lemony vibe. I am happy with this bottle of juice. And for price to juice ratio, you really can't go wrong with this. Like, this fragrance profile in itself should grab a lot of people's attention. I'm gonna talk out both sides of my neck, so hear me out. Based on price alone and the fragrance breakdown, if that's your thing, it's a safe blind buy. You're not breaking the bank in any way, shape, or form. If it doesn't hit it out the park for you, you won't be mad. But now, for someone that wants to expand their collection, but not do the standard normal things you see online, this one right here is a safe blind buy. I'm very comfortable saying it because this smells good on me. Like, I'm letting it dry down as we speak, and I'm just like, ooh, okay. I like it. I like it, and I'm going to get more from this line. I'm not mad at this, man. Like, this right here is a good bottle of juice. I don't care what it's trying to mimic, but the mint and the woody, cedar, mossy, lavender vibe does something to that, like, burnt pineapple, lemony, zesty vibe, to where, depending on how you smell it or how it's wafted in my face, I'm like, ooh, okay, there's that incensey vibe, that spicy vibe. Then all of a sudden it's like, ooh, there's that sweet, minty vibe. Like, it's pretty good. Man, I like this. This right here is a banger. This is a banger for juice. The price ratio and what you get, this is a banger. Okay. Talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you got this in your collection. Let me know if you've even heard of it. I have another one from Anfar London. This is, I don't know how to say it, so I'm just going to show it to you. Okay, listen. This was a blind buy. I read the notes. I saw fig, and I was like, I need it. Shit. Excuse my language. Listen to me. Listen to me. This right here is a very fruity, rosy, musky, minty, sweet bottle of juice. And when I saw the notes, I was like, let me just try it. Again, y'all, I love bringing y'all juice that smells good that everybody ain't talking about. I want to do stuff different, but I also want to speak to everybody's budget. And I'm telling you, this one right here smells delicious. Y'all know I love fig, and a mint fig combination, sweet, musky rose with some orange zest. This is a mature fig monster. Fell in love with fig because I got Fig Hug, and that sent me down a rabbit hole. But this right here does something to me. I didn't expect this. Like I said, I was just picking some random things so I could bring back to y'all and let you know what they smell like. And this smells so good. Oh man, that fig orange combo with that mint and that musky rose. Hey, this right here is, I'm going to make this popular. I'm gonna make this brand, this house popular, because I'm going to get more from this house, because the two that I've gotten so far are just good. This is Blind Buy Safe. Again, I'm gonna talk out both sides of my neck. For the price, it's Blind Buy Safe because it's not killing the pockets. But if you like fig, orange, minty notes, this is a Blind Buy Safe. Now understand, go in it with a level-headed expectation. This ain't the same as, no, sorry. I have to stop doing that. Go in it with a expectation of just wanting to find good juice. Stop looking at the names and comparing them to what you may deem as higher end or blah 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 this, blah 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 that. If you go into it with a open mind to just wanting to find some good juice that works in your budget, I recommend this. I'm just gonna throw it out there. I love fig, and I think you might love fig too. You know what I'm saying? I might be a rapper. Let me stop. But yeah, man, this ain't bad. And this is one that I'm gonna be wearing. Here's another smell good from the big purchase haul that I did that I talked about the other day. I finally got a Lake and Sky perfume Santal Gray. I found this at the rack store. Let's talk about it, man. Okay, let's get on texture strip. Okay, this is a simple fragrance that, to the right person, hits above its weight class. And hear me out when I say it. For me, when I smell this, it's a woody, aromatic, lavender type vibe. But I also, to my nose, get like a caramel chocolate kind of vibe. Something about it just doesn't sit right in my nose. I just, it doesn't smell bad, but for me, I don't know, something about it just is, I don't know. You know what? I know what it is. It's not chocolate. It's like a spicy cinnamon. It's like a warm, spicy cinnamon. And I'm gonna tell you now, I have a love-hate relationship with like a spicy cinnamon, because if cinnamon's not done right, for me, it can like overpower a fragrance and just takes away from its complexity. Don't get me wrong, there are fragrances with a spicy, warm, spicy cinnamon aspect to it that I love. But it just, in this particular juice, that warm, spicy aspect to it is just not working for me. And with that like musky undertone, I just get stuck on that just cinnamony vibe. And if I can't move past that cinnamony vibe, I won't like it, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna, you know what I'm saying? For right now, my nose is just stuck at that. That's all I'm smelling. It's like I initially get some of the other aspects of it, then it just stops. And all I'm smelling is like a cinnamony, burnt cinnamon kind of vibe, and I just don't enjoy it. So for me, I wouldn't say this is a safe blind buy, but at the same time, I know there are individuals out there that love this fragrance. So it could just, this could just be a me thing. So I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it. It's just, to my nose, I get stuck at that spicy cinnamony vibe that it has going on, and it just doesn't work for me. But talk to me in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if should give it some time to come back to it. I don't know. But talk to me in the comments. Let me know if you have this in your collection. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I'm full of crap. You know, hey, you never know. But as always, man, make sure you like, comment, repost. And yeah, man, y'all be easy.